Welcome to the special press conference of the World Mosquito Eradication Association. Recent reports have emerged of new mutant mosquito species in various regions, including northwestern Europe, southeastern South America, and southern Asia, sparking public concern. Further details are available in the full report. On the 13th of February, researchers in the Icelandic cities of Akureyri and Reykjavik discovered a new species of mosquito, suspected to be a variant of the Culex pipiens, or black-legged Aedes, mosquito. This mosquito is smaller than typical species, entirely blue in color, wingless, and thrives under layers of decaying leaves on the soil surface. It possesses remarkable cold resistance, capable of surviving in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. With elongated, oval-shaped, and protruding eyes that grant it poor vision, it primarily relies on its antennae to sense objects. However, this mosquito has evolved a larger and longer proboscis, coupled with increased venom potency. A bite from this mosquito causes severe pain and may lead to nerve paralysis, with severe cases potentially resulting in shock. Experts suggest its emergence may be linked to global warming. A bite from this mosquito typically leaves a large swelling of approximately 5 centimeters in diameter, accompanied by skin ulceration and oozing. Prompt medical attention is advised following a bite. In addition, the World Mosquito Eradication Association has identified new mutant mosquito species in various regions worldwide. Samples have been collected by experts and are currently being studied in laboratories. Experts hypothesized that these morphological mutations in mosquitoes may be associated with genetic modification experiments or radiation-based sterilization experiments conducted on mosquitoes in controlled environments. Such experiments may have unintentionally introduced altered mosquitoes into the wild, contaminating the genetic pool and ultimately giving rise to these aberrant species. It remains uncertain whether these mosquitoes carry new mutant viruses or what potential effects they may have on humans. At present, samples from 4 types of mutant mosquitoes have been collected, with the following research findings: specimen code YX21366. On the 15th of January 2056, two-headed mutant mosquito was discovered in California, USA, suspected to be a variant of the Anopheles genus. This mosquito has a deep red body with blue markings and green eyes. Its 2 heads share a single body, and notably, it has 2 blood-sucking proboscises. The 4 compound eyes provide it with a 360-degree field of vision, making it potentially more threatening and harder to eliminate than typical mosquitoes. A bite from this mosquito usually leaves 2 connected welts. Specimen code ZZ0516. On the 16th of May 2055, a mutant mosquito with an enormous abdomen was discovered in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It has 3 eyes, and its abdomen is approximately 12 times the size of its thorax. The mosquito's body is deep purple with light purple or white markings. Due to its massive abdomen, its flight speed and altitude are significantly reduced compared to ordinary mosquitoes, limiting it to slow, low-altitude flight, making it easier to eliminate. However, it can consume up to 5 times more blood than a regular mosquito. A bite from this mosquito typically leaves a 2 centimeters diameter welt that appears white due to the significant blood loss. Specimen code F181016. On the 25th of December 2055, a large mosquito with butterfly-like wings was discovered in Singapore. This mosquito, regardless of gender, does not feed on blood but rather on plant sap. Its body is pale pink, with green spots that shimmer under light, making it quite visually striking. Additionally, its proboscis has evolved from the typical piercing-sucking type to a siphoning type, more suited for nectar consumption. This mosquito is suspected to be a variant of the Toxorynchites genus. Strict mosquito eradication measures in Singapore may have destroyed habitats suitable for mosquito survival, leading to interbreeding between mutants and Toxorynchites, resulting in this new species. Currently, this mutant is harmless to humans, and scientists are exploring the possibility of breeding it as a pet. Specimen code YJ314. On the 27th of September 2055, researchers in London discovered a conjoined mosquito at an underground station. This phenomenon is neither an isolated case nor a pathological genetic mutation, as researchers have found that the conjoined gene has been passed down through at least 3 generations. The distinctive feature of this mosquito is that it is joined at the back, sharing a single excretory and reproductive system, allowing it to reproduce parthenogenetically. Typically, one side develops normally while the other is abnormal, with the normal side taking the lead during movement and flight. Due to its conjoined nature, this mosquito has two proboscises, and a bite usually leaves two welts about 1 centimeter apart. The emergence of these new mosquito species has sparked public debate, with some media outlets questioning the appropriateness and effectiveness of the association's mosquito eradication methods. The World Mosquito Eradication Association urges the public not to panic. The association is committed to addressing these new mosquito species with professional and scientific methods, safeguarding the safety and well-being of people worldwide. To provide more comprehensive information on these newly emerged mosquitoes, the association has published a special edition of the 2056 Mosquito Eradication Guide, which is available for purchase by the public.